Want to program a key fob for your 2002 Jeep Liberty? It's a common DIY task since these older models lack modern smart key features. This video will guide you through it. Note that this process works best with a functional key fob, and make sure you have the correct fob compatible with your vehicle. While newer cars have moved to digital key apps, DIY programming is still a cost-effective option for older models like the Liberty. Remember, advancements in aftermarket tools and online guides have made this process more accessible than ever. We will use the standard method, but note that success rates are around 80 to 90%. Battery issues can interfere with programming, so ensure your battery is charged. First, prepare for programming by ensuring all doors are closed and you're inside the vehicle. Have your key fob ready and turn off all electronics like the radio and air conditioning. Now enter programming mode. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Within 10 seconds, press and release the unlock button on the key fob. Cycle the ignition to continue programming. Turn the key to off, then immediately back to on. Press and release the unlock button again within 10 seconds. For each additional key fob, repeat the ignition cycle and unlock button press within 10 seconds. The system will beep or flash lights to confirm each fob is programmed. Finally, exit programming mode by turning the key to off. Test all fobs by pressing lock-unlock from outside the vehicle. If programming fails, disconnect the battery for 5 minutes to reset or check for body control module errors.